What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here, finally getting back into creating videos. It's been a while. I think it's back in December when I created the last video, but here I am now, back again with a brand new video for you that's coming from the Home Business Academy, and talking about, you earning 80% residual income with a brand new turnkey residual income system that the Home Business Academy just created. Now, if you remember back a while back, the Home Business Academy used to have a system, and they had it for many years, called the all-in-one system. And if you really think about it, it was all-in-one to a certain extent. There were some things missing in it, in my opinion, such as a built-in autoresponder, email follow-up and things like that. And so you had to go and get your own autoresponder. You had to set up your emails. You had to go purchase a domain. You had to connect it to the system. Then you had to set up the DKIM, all of this stuff that when it comes to email marketing. Then you have to warm up your email and all of that type of stuff right there. And I honestly believe that's why a lot of people, overlook or don't take a chance with the Home Business Academy, or they join the Home Business Academy and they see that they have to do all of this. You have to create the opt-in pages, you have to create the funnel, the sales funnel, and things like that. You have to create the emails, even though we gave you done for you emails. If everybody was using those emails, then the email providers such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing, they would start seeing you as spam if everybody using the same emails and things like that. Then you had to go, once again, like I said, you had to set up the domain, you had to connect the domain, you had to make sure your DKIM and your DMARC and all of this is set up. You had to warm up your domain, and then after all of that time, you haven't made any progress. And so now, once you get all of that done, because you have to go through a learning phase, and that takes time. We have a 3-day refund policy, and within 3 days, if somebody comes in trying to actually create a funnel and do all of those things, the chances of them sticking, is slim to none. Okay, so they quit, or they'll stick with it maybe a couple of weeks, and then they'll just say, look, this is too complicated. I know, because I did it before, when I joined the Home Business Academy, a couple of times. I just thought it was too complicated, and so I quit. But that has changed now. We have truly a turnkey residual income system that is set up, completely done for you. And the only thing you have to do is click that link in the description to get started. And I'm going to show you, it's going to take you to a done for you capture page. Okay. Then we have a done for you lead magnet. And the VSL is already done for you as well, which means you don't have to create a bridge page. You don't have to, do videos or anything like that for a bridge page. Now, I highly recommend that you do videos for marketing, whether it's short or long form or both combined together. Pick one platform and go from there. But so we have created, Paul and Mike have created a turnkey simple system. The only thing you have to do is grab your affiliate link, pick a platform where you want to promote it, and then go from there. So let's take a look at this system right now, and then you can be the judge or make a decision whether or not this is for you. I honestly believe that this is going to help a lot of people, who have struggled to make money online, finally be successful and make some money. And if you want to earn residual income, then watch this video until the end. I think you're really going to be impressed about what I'm about to share with you right now. So here's the simple opt-in page that they have created. It's called the Turnkey Residual Income System, where 80% of every dollar comes back to you. Someone fills in their name, email, and their best email. They can get instant access. Okay, and once they do that, okay, this PDF, okay, the residual income shortcut is going to be emailed to them as a freebie, okay, just for putting in their information. So this is a long, this PDF was created by Paul. Okay, let's see. And the thing about it is, even though it's created by Paul Hutchins, your affiliate links will be embedded inside of this PDF. So people, when you send it to people and when they open it up and they read it and they start clicking on things, it's going to go back to your affiliate link. All of this is tied to you. Paul is the one. We're using Paul's credibility, okay? You can use Paul credibility because you may not have a story. You may not have been successful online. You may not want to share your story. Maybe, there's something you just don't want to do. Well, Paul doesn't mind sharing his story nor his expertise that you can lean on in order to be successful, with the Home Business Academy. Now, you're still going to have to put in the work. Although this is done for you, I like to call this the new all-in-one $25 business because it's actually done for you. So you're going to get this PDF right here. Let's see, I can't remember how many pages it was. It doesn't have any numbers on here, but anyway, this is worth the read. Just know that this is going to be coded to you. Your affiliate links will be in this page, or this PDF. So when people read it, it's going to go back to you. So you don't have to worry about that. Once they fill in their information here, they're going to come to this page right here. I'm just going to click the video so you can see it. Paul is going to explain it. This video is only 3 minutes and 21 seconds long. Not a long drawn out video. They said we were crazy to pay 80% commission, but 6.9 million been paid later, still crazy. Paul explains that you can watch this video and read the sales page. Here's the beauty of this, and I'm going to show you here in a second. It's just introducing Paul and Mike, some testimonials, the gap, you're here to close, all of this information is on here. It's talking about, the purpose. You have a video here, you come down, you have a business you're actually proud of with the video here showing where we're helping feed starving children. Come down here, you can see the commissions that have been earned. Actually, this thing, let me refresh the page so you can see it. Let's see if it does it. Yep, see how those numbers float? Paid over $6 million in commissions so far, It has a breakdown of what it costs, for each product. The 3 residual products, I like to call it the triple residual income. $128 per customer. Now you can read this. I'm not going to go through everything. This actually shows you the payout of the net residual income you can earn. 2 people earns you. It's residual income $256, but you have to remember, if you go all in, you're investing $128 per month. So the $128 comes from the $256, which leaves you with $96 in residual income. 5 people, $640 minus your $128. It was 480 people. So just keep doing the math. So you can be in with 5 people, you can be in the good. You're no longer paying out of pocket. So think about it that way. And with 40 people, you can be earning $4,000, almost $5,000 a month. 80 people, $10,000 a month. Whereas in other network marketing companies or any other residual income company, nobody matches 80% commissions residually that the Home Business Academy pays, even on the one-time product that they have in here as well. So just 24 referrals can be a full-time income. Then you come down here, you're going to see the products that you like, the tools that pay for themselves, the Let's Go. You can watch a video on that as well. Come down here, you'll see the funnel builder. You have a video on that, and the HBA premium, and that explains it, and a video on that as well. Then it's going to have your image down here at the bottom, and you can get started today, with the triple residual starter pack for only $35, which gives you access to Let's Go, the HBA funnel builder, 2 weeks of premium trial, Sage AI automation, and all of that good stuff. And so if I just move up here a little bit, we have something we call a closer. We have a Sage on here, and if someone clicks on this right here, Sage is going to open up, and it's going to help close sales for you. So if there are questions that you do not know about the Home Business Academy or any of the products, you don't have to worry about that. If someone asks you a question, tell them to go back to the page, click this button down here in the corner, click this blue purple button, and ask Sage the question. Sage will give them the answer that they need, walk them through the process, and hopefully close them for you to come back to purchase this $35 level so you can get started. When someone is ready to start, they click this button and boom, it pops out for them to get started right over here. They never have to leave the page. It's automatically done for you. Okay, so the less goal is $10 a month. The funnel bill is $25 a month. Now let me go on and break this down to you too. Is this for you? This isn't for you if you're looking to get rich quick scheme. You won't show up for the training and you expect results without effort. So if that you fit into any of those categories, then this is not for you. This is for you if you want a stable residual income. You will follow a proven system, and you'd rather have a team and not go at it alone. So you can just do that. Click the button below this video to get started. It's going to take you to this page right here. Put in your information. You're going to get this book in an email, and then it's going to bring you to this page right here. And the thing about it is, you're going to get access to this exact system. So how do you do that? Well, first, let me show you the email. Once you someone signed up, you're going to get an email, okay? Or they're going to get an email. Paul is going to do all of the explaining for you. The follow-up is done for you, okay? You don't have to worry about doing any follow-up, and you're going to get access to your leads. They're going to be emailing your leads for you, but you're going to get access to your lead, and every email, it leads right back to them to sign up with you, okay? Yes, Paul and Mike or the system gets your lead, but one thing I know about Paul and Mike, they will not promote anything else to them, and you get access to your leads. Okay, so what you can do when you come inside of the system right here, this is the new back office. Okay, you come over to affiliate. When you click on affiliate, you just scroll down, and this is your link right here. Okay, you can add tracking to that link. Facebook, wherever whatever you're doing, Facebook, YouTube, email blast, TikTok, it doesn't matter where you can put that link. You can take this link and turn it into or forward it from a domain that you may have, okay? And things like that. So you can do that as well. Mine is, as you see, mine in the description below is richardhairston.com/turnkey residuals. So I just forwarded using the HBA funnel builder a URL redirect, and that I did. So one thing about this as well, you can download your leads. When someone clicks on this link right here, it's going to go to this page right here. This exact same page that you have. Everything flows for you, okay? So you simply click the copy button, and it's going to copy it, and you're ready to go. But like I say, you may want to, you don't have to forward it. You can do it just as ill. Once you get a lead, it's going to come up right down here. I opted into my page just to see what happened. So you're going to get that lead's name, first name. They may put in a last name, I don't know. I think it just asks for first name, so they can put in a first name. And then you're going to get their email address, okay? And the date that they sign up, status is a lead, okay? And then you're able to download them yourself, okay? And add them to your own autoresponder if you have an autoresponder, or you can send them an email one-on-one, okay, through Google, however you want to do it. And that can be tedious depending upon how many emails you're generating, okay, per week. Or per day rather. Okay, so this is going to be the fast start training. This is what you want to do first, okay? Make sure you do this first. Other than that, your system is just as simple as it is. It doesn't get any either of this. When you're ready to learn how to run traffic because you have invested the $35, okay? You come to premium and you come down here and you start getting traffic. Read the start here, listen to the start here. Okay, just going to show you how to start getting traffic, pre-traffic, getting ready pre-traffic, get traffic free. Okay, all of this right here. They just put in a new training in here. Let me see if I can find it. It's called Branding 101. You get access to that as well, where Paul talked to you about that. You're also going to get paid traffic strategies that you can tap into. All of those are right here. Get sales and conversions, get coaching mastermind, and high value bonus trainings. Also, when you get it, you're going to have access to premium tools such as the Prompt Write. Okay, Prompt Write AI. I've already used it over here. You see I have some prompts that I've used. You can add in your own preferences, your writing style, so it'll get to know you, talk like you when you're creating content. Okay, another thing that you get access to is, let's go back, called the image generator. If I come over here, you can see the thumbnail that you saw in this video is right here. Okay, I use this to create my own images. Also, you can put 2 images in here that you want to use. You can add many here as you want to use, because you're going to be able to pick one to choose from. You can come down here and choose some of the templates that we already have down here as well. Another thing you're going to have access to is the smart post. If you have Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all of that, you can have this tool post onto all short form videos to all of your platform, your social media. You see I have them here, a few of them here. I haven't done them all, but your Google Drive and Dropbox for saving your stuff like that. So you can use that as well. And another thing over here in the let me see. Let's go. If you want to learn how to speed read, this is for you to keep your goals intact, keep your journaling, doing your daily affirmations and all of that. If you want to learn how to speed read, you can come down here and upload your file that you want to read, and this is going to help you read, while you're doing your exercise or anything or something like that. Okay, so let's go back. And then there's one more thing I wanted to show you, and then updates. Anytime we have updates, it's going to be over here for you to know about. So you'll come in here and just see what the updates are about. And also in the social, the updates will be posted here as well. So just know you're going to get access to this page, this free ebook to give away, lead magnet, in this free page right here, and the emails are done for you. The only thing you have to do, okay, is grab your link here, boom, and start marketing. What can you do with this link? You can put it on your Facebook profile. If you're connecting with people on Facebook, you can send it. You can do like I do if you prefer, create YouTube videos, short videos. If you're Instagram, use it on Instagram. But that's all you have to do. So it's already done for you. It is as simple as that. Because if I come over here and just go right here, I'm going to put in, let me see, think of another. If you just put in an email right there, you can put in your own email when you get your page to test it out for yourself, because you want to read the emails that you're getting. Okay. One of the emails I use this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click, click get instant access, and you see it's going to take me to this page right here. My affiliate ID is up at the top. If I come over to my emails and I go, let's go check out, let's go over here. Well, if I can find where I'm going quickly. And boom, there's the email landed in the inbox, because they have the domain warmed up. The domain, they've had this domain for years, so it's a trusted domain. Okay, so you're going to get that. And if we come back over to here and we refresh this page, because you see here, refresh, scroll down, and boom, there's your lead right there. You can take this email and send them a, personal message, however you want to do it. That's totally up to you. So the system is set up and done for you. The only thing you have to do is tap into it. Come to this page right here. Let me go back. Come to this page right here, put in your information and go. The link is in the description. Start your own business right now without the hassle. So I look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.